Hey there, I wanted to show you how to add a class to your waitlist, and I was just having some issues with this. I've done another video on this, but I'm just going to show you the issue that I was having and how you can avoid it, which was that the waitlisted class was not showing up in my education plan. So if I want to waitlist a class, I'm going to click on education plan here, and then I'm going to go to create, view, modify. And from here, what I want to do is search for a class that I want to waitlist. And then, so down here, I have all the classes and sections and all that. So basically, let me see. We can try and do it through this one. So available sections. I want to go to the internet one. Add to schedule. This is going to be in the. This is fall. I want to do spring. Here, this one. So the section with a waitlist, I'm going to add it. And so this, I have already added it, but the problem was I was adding it and I wasn't able to find it. So I went back to plan and schedule, and I was scrolling down here and I was looking for it and it wasn't showing up here, and I couldn't figure out why. And it took me like 3 days. Finally, I figured out that I was just on fall when I'm supposed to be scrolling to spring, so it's not showing everything all at once here. So in order to find that class, I'm going to have to toggle the right arrow, and then I can see my spring selections here. So I'm scrolling down now. And here's all the times I tried to add it apparently. And from here I can waitlist the class. Click the waitlist button. I think I've already actually waitlisted it, so I don't know why I'm even seeing the waitlist button here. But that should be, you cannot waitlist in more than one section. Yeah, I mean, yeah, don't worry about that. I think that's an issue with, I must have waitlisted another section of this class or something. I'll look into that later. But basically that's how you can add a class to your waitlist, and also if you can't see it, try that left and right arrow thing. All right, hope that helps. Bye.